In the past 2 years, I went from a job where I was constantly on the go to a job where I was just sitting at a desk. And in that 2 years, I managed to gain 60 pounds. And with that weight gain started to come some health problems. And that's when I knew I really needed to do something. So I tried a couple different diet programs and I lost a pound or two, but nothing was really working. When I came across the Venus Factor, I was intrigued. Here was a program that was designed for women, because let's face it, women are different than men. It's a 12-week system created by a nutritionist, John Barban, and it doesn't use pills or supplements or extreme diet plans. It resets the body use of the weight control hormone leptin, and let me tell you, it works wonders. In the past 6 weeks, I have lost 21 pounds, which has given me all the motivation I need to keep going with this program. Now, the program normally costs $97, but I'm going to give you the link where you can get it with some bonuses, some bonus coaching videos, and some bonus workout videos, and it will only cost $47, and it is so worth every penny because this system truly works.